Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ManyChat on Instagram. Whether you're giving away an ebook, promoting a service, or capturing leads, ManyChat can automate Instagram DMs to help you grow faster. Firstly, before building your first automation, set how conversations behave in ManyChat. Go to Settings inside your ManyChat dashboard, click on Live Chat, and under Live Chat Behavior, select a conversation that should be opened explicitly. Now, to build your first funnel, a lead magnet campaign, we'll set it up so that when someone comments or messages a specific keyword, they receive an ebook. Go to Automation, then New Automation, and select Start from Scratch. This gives you full control. Now, click Add Trigger, choose Instagram, then select User Comments on Posts or Reels, and set it to work on any post or reel. Add your trigger keywords and enable public comment reply and write 2 to 3 different versions to avoid looking spammy. Now, add another trigger, user sends a message. Choose a detect specific word in message and the same keyword like guide plus typos or misspellings. This ensures people who DM you directly still get the same automation. Now, to create an actual conversation, go to First Message. Create your first message like, "Are you ready to gain more muscle and take your body to the next level?" For example, add a quick reply button and then press yes, send it over. Now, once the user clicks the quick reply, send a new message and add a short delay to make it feel more human. Ask for their first name using ManyChat's built-in user input block, then ask for their email the same way. You can also sync leads with your email marketing platform. Use ManyChat's integration or Zapier to send collected data like emails directly to your newsletter tool. Now, before going live, comment on your post with the trigger word, DM your page with the same word, and walk through the entire flow to ensure it's smooth. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Welcome back.